Alright, we are on to page 26 in your book. And on this page, they are showing you some new rhythms. And within that, they're showing you multiple ways to write certain rhythms. So in that box at the top of the page, that is going to be really useful actually, because it starts with a simple rhythm and then shows and a variation to it with a tie, and then in the next measure it shows that same variation but written in a different way with a dot instead of the tie. So I think that's just a nice visual representation of different ways to write this rhythm. So in number 102, you're playing a song with ties. So those show up in the second, third, fifth, and sixth measure. So here is what that sounds like. 102. 1, 2, ready. Okay, so then in number 103, the next one, the melody, the notes are going to sound the same. And the rhythm is going to sound the same. It's just written in a different way with the dots now. A quick review, the dot, what it does, not to be confused with a staccato, which is on top or under a note, a dot on the side adds value to that note. It makes it longer. And it makes it longer by half of that note's value. So in this case, we're dealing with dotted quarter notes. So a half of a quarter note is an eighth note. So in total, a dotted quarter note lasts for 1 beat and a half. That's why you have that 1, 2, and 3. That's that 1.5. And then the last half of the second beat is you play that eighth note and continue. So here is 103, which again is going to sound the same. You just get to hear it twice. 1, 2, There you have it. So you may discover that you prefer one way or the other, and that's fine, but you will encounter both. So you'll want to get used to playing both of those rhythms and ways of writing rhythms, ties and dots.